Also making news this evening, recent central bank figures show a slight decrease in air arrivals. Despite this, the Minister of Tourism remains optimistic. Leah Cooper has the details in this next report.
Tourism here in the Bahamas continues to grow, but the story behind the numbers is more complex. According to the central bank's preliminary data, total visitor arrivals rose strongly in December, driven primarily by a surge in cruise passengers, while air arrivals show signs of softening. Tourism stats show that total arrivals in December jumped by more than 20% to 1.4 million visitors compared to how the figures stacked up the previous year. However, that growth was heavily weighted towards sea travel. Cruise passengers increased by 24%, reaching 1.2 million. By contrast, air arrivals rose by just 1% to about 200,000 passengers, a much more modest gain. We caught up with Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Tourism, the Honorable Chester Cooper, who continues to hold more accommodations are needed to boost those levels.
We need more rooms. We need more room inventory, and I think this is going to boost stopovers for the medium to long term.
Now, as for short-term results, the DPM boasts about the constant push to build relationships with international airlines, adding that we saw an increase since introducing Canadian-based Porter Airlines to the Bahamian market.
We are seeing steady growth already going into 2026. To the end of March, our forward bookings are looking extremely strong, which means that all things being the same and there not be any major disruptions, the first quarter of 2026 is looking to be very strong.
The DPM adds that there's also a strong push to increase traffic in the Family Islands.
We have Breeze that's starting up. It's a low-cost airline, and they're going to be starting very soon. We announced that a day or two ago. And we have American Airlines 3 times a week starting on Valentine's Day in Bimini. So we're continuing to add new routes, additional flights, larger planes on existing routes.
Mr. Cooper adds that his ministry will continue to put marketing muscle behind the Canadian market while pivoting and responding to market changes on a regular basis. For the Bahamas Tonight, I'm Leah Cooper.